You're a monster. That's what they say. But I am not a monster. My name is Jeff, and I love blood. And you are filled with it. But not for long. Don't be scared. You won't feel a thing. All you need to do is go to sleep.
Do you know what's funny that I find just hilarious is people look at me now and they don't want to mess with me. They don't want to push me around. Hi, I'm Jeff, and you're probably wondering why I look the way I do. Because my brother was being pushed around, him and I didn't like that. I had a feeling, and this feeling was joy, because I hurt people. It felt amazing. and it wouldn't leave me alone. It happens a couple times, and my brother went to juvie for what I did to those bullies. That was not good. That was not good. And I got bullied again, and there was bleach, and there was pain, and blood, and fire, and waiting. I waited. I waited. And then my face was shown to me in the hospital, and I I love my face very much. It looks like how I feel. Now I'm always smiling, and now I am a killer. Oh yes, my parents. I thought Mommy loved my face, but she didn't. So I gutted her and Father. I made such a mess. I didn't know what I was doing. And then Brother woke up when I was watching him sleep, and I told him something simple, something Mother and Father used to tell us all the time. I told him why I pressed my hands on his mouth and inserted a knife in his neck. I told him, go to sleep.